Good evening, hope you are very fine on this very first of functions, first lesson. We are saying in introduction, under mapping, we saw many members are mapped to many image points, but under this topic, we shall see the relationship that maps a single object into a single image. So this is in relationship with the functions of scenario 2 work. For example, if you have x and y, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, they can be mapped together. So what will be mattering is this very point where we are about part A, which says f of x equals or maps to 3x plus 4, which is read as a function which maps x onto 3x plus 4. So in that case, if we say f of x equals 3x plus 4 in part C, we can let y to be f of x, y equals 3x plus 4. In this case, the value of y can only be obtained when x is known. In other words, y depends on x and hence it is known as the dependent variable x. On the other hand, it does not depend on y. It is therefore known as independent variable. Let us start on direct examples with example 1. Function f of x is defined by f of x equals 3x plus 4. Find f of 5. In that case, it means that 5 replaces x. Like you are seeing here, f of x equals 3x plus 4. When you come here, we have f of 5 equals. So what happens is that you maintain what you had up, but 5 replaces x because 5 has gone into the place of x. They are explaining by words. In order to obtain f of 5, we have to substitute x in the expression 3x plus 3 with 5 and then simplify it, i.e. f of 5 equals 3x, which is 3 into 5 plus 3. So in that case, where x was, we are putting 5. And 3 times 5, you get 15 plus 3, that makes 18. That is one of the examples. Example 2 shows that given f of x equals 1 out of x, find f of a. It simply means that where x is, we shall put a because a has gone into the place of x, which becomes 1 out of a by replacing x with a. What if they say we find f of x plus h? We shall still say where x is, we put x plus h. So we shall get 1 out of x plus h. So how functions work in this concept is that they replace each other depending on what you are given. This is a very best example. Given that f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 9, find f of 1. You just put 1 where x is. So x squared becomes 1 squared. 3x becomes 3 into 1, then minus 9. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 minus 9 is negative 5. If they give you f of negative 5, you still put negative 5 where x is. So in my function x squared plus 3x minus 9, I will have negative 5 squared plus 3 into negative 5, then minus 9. When you get negative 5 squared, it gives you 25. When you get 3 times negative 5, you get a negative 15. And so 25 minus 15 is 10. And 10 minus 9, you get 1. I think here they made a mistake, but the correct answer is 1. The continuation says a function is defined by the formula f of x equals 3x plus 1. If f of a equals 19, find the value of a. In this case, 19 becomes the answer of everything, and a replaces that number which can help us get 19. So we shall say f of x equals 3x plus 1. Therefore, f of a would be 3a plus 1. But they are telling us that the whole thing becomes 19. So 3a plus 1 equals 19. When you solve for this, 19 minus 1 is 18. 3a equals 18. So to divide both sides by 3, you get a as 6, meaning 6 is the value of a, which you can replace with x in 3x plus 1 to get your answer as 19. Thank you very much for attending this lesson. Feel blessed as you go ahead.